You know that I love Daily 5. It's what I talk about on social media. It's what this whole account is about, helping streamline your literacy block so you can get to all of your reading groups. But lately, you might have noticed that I've been talking about Math Daily 3. Math Daily 3 has always lived rent-free in my brain because it single-handedly transformed the way that I taught math. And the time that I got away from it when I switched to fifth grade from kindergarten and first grade, instant regret. And I've talked about that so many times because as soon as I went back to Math Daily 3, math clicked again for myself and my students. Math Daily 3 is the same thing as Daily 5. Students are going to have choices, but you're training them on how to do them. It's not just busy work. It's intentional work so that they are having that independent practice while you're able to pull math small groups. I've been posting about Math Daily 3 for a solid month now because this is the time of year where we get into a slump with teaching math, and there's things that we can still do that are not going to be draining on us as teachers, and that's why I'm having a Math Daily 3 workshop this Saturday, February 28th. So let me give you the details on that. Because if you've been commenting math on my posts and you want more details, you're likely on the wait list now and the doors are open, and so you can save your seat for that live workshop. And the best part is during the workshop, you can ask me questions live, not just like in the comments, but live. We're going to dive deep in how to plan your math instruction in kindergarten all the way through fifth grade. I've taught both ends of the spectrum using the Math Daily 3 method, which I did not invent, but I have changed and tweaked so much that's made it so much easier. And anytime I've shared any of these videos with you, you've gone crazy and wanted more, and that's where the workshop idea came from. My Daily 5 workshop I've taught for 3 years now, and it's so popular that I've been meaning to do a Math Daily 3 workshop, but I just didn't know when a good time would be for it. So honestly, that's why it's popping up now, is because people keep asking for it. Usually it's one of three things. You're not getting to all your math groups, or you're not even teaching them at all. The scheduling is really tricky for you and you need help figuring that out, or you're just unsure how to keep students engaged during math center activities during Math Daily 3 or the way you're teaching math now. And we're going to get to all three of those and solve that problem in an hour's time. We're going to talk about math by myself, math writing, math with someone, and math with teacher, and how I've tweaked these and made them work for me using the curriculum and also things that kids need more of, especially like fact fluency is a huge one. Comment math below this video if you'd like the link to sign up. If you're watching this on TikTok, remember that links have to be manually sent to you, and when I send that to you, you actually have to copy and paste it into a browser. Instagram makes it a little bit easier. And if you can't come to the workshop live, still save your seat anyways, because you'll get the replay and you can listen to it in your classroom while you're cutting out lamination, and you can still ask me questions afterwards. It doesn't mean you'll miss everything if you're not there live. Still save your seat, even if you don't watch it until this summer. I'm only going to teach it this time of year, so be there or you'll miss out on it. What other questions do you have about Math Daily 3? If it's not already in my workshop, I will add your question in and we'll get it answered.